To set an AI generated image as your home screen wallpaper on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, long tap on an empty area on your home screen and then tap Wallpaper and Style. Tap the home screen thumbnail, tap Wallpaper, scroll down the screen. Under Create with AI section, tap Generative. Pick an art style. As the example, we will select translucent. Adjust elements like color tone or effect depending on the option available. In the screen, you can change the flower and the color tone. As the example, we will set the flower to buttercup and the color tone to blue. Next, tap Generate button to let the AI create your wallpaper. Preview the image by swiping the image section to the left. Tap Set button on the desired image. And then tap Done button to set the selected wallpaper as your home screen wallpaper. Go to your home screen. As you can see, the selected AI generated image has been set as your home screen wallpaper. By using this feature, you can design wallpaper in just a few taps, whether you want a dreamy landscape or a futuristic scene. AI makes it easy to bring your vision to life and refresh your screen anytime you like. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.